Hey guys, how you all doing? In this video I'm going to show you on how you can create a 3-layer video like this on InShot. Okay, so before you start, let's jump and do it. First, go to InShot app like this and open it, guys. Then select new, tap on new, then create a blank page like this, and then you tap on the check mark, guys. Then you expand this one like this, then you go to tap on canvas like this, guys. Then you tap on the ratio 9:16 like this, guys. Then you tap on background, then you choose black color, then you tap on the check mark, guys. All right, so as you see, this is it, guys. So we need to tap on this PIP, which is picture in picture, which is known as the layer video. So once we tap on this, guys, all we need to do is we need to select some videos, guys. Let's go, for example, like favorite, here I say video. You just need to tap on the first video, guys. All right, and expand it to where I want it, like this, guys. All right, so let's expand it like this, guys. As you see, guys, I just need to split this one like this, then go for the second video again, tap on PIP, which is picture in picture, then take the second video again, as you see, guys. Then we expand it like this here to where you want it. Okay, you can do this for any video, guys. Then we just need to split this one here like this because you want to make a short video, guys. All right, then you go to PIP again, guys. Then you tap on the check mark and you import the other video that you want, which is this one. All right, so that is it. We just need to expand it like this, guys. All right, we drag it down a little bit, as you see, guys. This is it. We just need to expand it to where we want it, like this, guys. All right, so hold on, we just need to expand it to how we want it, guys, like this, guys. All right, we can also split this one, delete it. All right, here is our video, guys. All right, so that is it. So now we just need to split this part, we don't want it. So this is the video, guys. So let's say now we want to remove volumes from these videos. We just need to tap on volume, guys, like this, and remove volume for all the videos like this. Then add on a new song, okay, like this. We just need to tap on the check mark, guys. Let's say now we want to add a song for these videos. All right, guys, so let's tap on music, then extract an audio from a video. Okay, let me just go to my recent, then extract from this one, guys. All right, like this, guys. So now listen. All right, guys, so that is it. And let me say, go to music again, add the volume of this one. Yeah, this is it, guys. So they already reduced the volume. So if you want to save it, we just need to tap on our share button at the top right, guys, to save it. All right, like this. All right, then save it. All right, so if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this every single time I drop a video. Peace.